Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran from the channel Data Sciencey, and today the topic that I'll be explaining you is called Boolean logic in Python. So let's get started. So what is Boolean logic? In Boolean logic, as we've heard about and, or, and not, that are the functions that are used in Python as a simple English language like a and d as and or is or and not is not. That values will be used in Python and it will perform the functions of and, or, and not. So let me show you here. Like for example, if you want to check the condition of two or more values in if function, then you use and. Like for example, if you want to check that both values are true, then you use and if for or you say that one value should be true and the other should be false, then it can be true, or both values are true in or, then it will be true. The only condition that it will be false is that when both conditions are false for or. And the not is that it's simply inverse. For example, if the value is true, it will change it to false, and if the value is false, it will turn into true. So let me show you here. For example, if I'm saying that x equal to 1, and here I'm writing a condition as if x equal to this double equal, it means to check the condition, so we use equal. If x equal to 1 and I'm using the function and, I'll add y2, y is equal to 7. So and y equal to 7, and then the colon, then print true. Okay, and then if I say else, then the colon, then enter, print the round brackets, and then false. So when I click on enter here, when I click on run, it says the value is true, because see, x is equal to 1 means it's checking the condition. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 7, then it should be true. Here you can see in the AND function, you can see both values are true. X equal to 1 and y equal to 7, so that's why the answer is true. And if I say y equal to 2, means like one value would be false and the other value would be true, so the answer would be false. And if I say both values would be false for and, so still the value would be false. And now when I go for or, and here you can see that both values are false, so the answer would be false. And if I say one value is true, the answer would be true. Here you can see for or, one value is true, one value is false, but still the answer would be true. And if I say the both values are true, then also the answer would be true. Now if I say that not function, like if value this is true, the not will make it false, and still the answer would be true. Here you can say it's true. If I say like, now both would be false because the not function will make this true function false, so the answer would be false. So that's all for my side, and these are the functions of the Boolean logic. So that's all for my side. Thank you so much.